Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to post live photo as Instagram story on your Instagram. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one, just go over here, tap on over here at the Instagram. Now from here you have to scroll down like this, like we are posting something, just do like this. And right now you have to go over here like this so that it will take you to a gallery. Now here we have to take care of two things. One thing, you cannot post any kind of screenshot, any normal photo as a live photo. So make sure one thing that you're trying to post the live photo as it is. So make sure that you're selecting the live photo. And once you select the live photo, over here you can see there is an icon like boomerang. So you just need to tap on this one. So it will be like a live photo like this. And right now, once afterwards, you can just go over here, tap on the done. So that it will be like over here. So you can post it on your story. Just go over here and post it. So this is how you can post it, or how you can post a live photo as a story on your Instagram. And I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.